Hello my dear students. In this video, we'll discuss class 8 maths chapter factorization. Very important points and some examples. First point is factors. This definition of a factor is when an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. Means you are given a expression, algebraic expression, including this x and y like this, x and y's. And when we write this as a product of two or more expressions, so each and every expression is called its factors. And what is factorization? The process of finding two or more expressions whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Means the question will come, factorize this. Means you will see, you will follow the process of factorization and you will find the factors of the given algebraic expression. So factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Means in multiplication like this, 2 into 3 we get 6. So this is what product multiplication. And what is factors? Means factors of 6 is 2 and 3. Means this 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 is 2 into 3. Means here this is product and here it is factorization. So this comes in algebraic expression. Let's look here. This 3x into 4x minus 5y equals to 12x square minus 15xy. This is product. Why? Because this 3x into 4x. 3 4s are 12 and x into x is square. So 12x square minus sign as it is, and then 3 into 5 15 and x into y xy. So 3x into 4x minus 5y is 12x square minus 15xy. This is the product. And what is factorization in algebraic expressions? This 12x square minus 15xy means this term is given here. So what you will do? You will take common between 12 and 15. So if we take common, means common multiple, common factor. So 12 and 15 both are divisible by 3. So we are taking 3 common, and here x square means x into x, here x into y. So x is also common. So 3x is common. So what we should write here? 3 4s are 12. So we will write here 12 4, and this x square. So x is outside, so x1 inside. Means now we'll multiply this 3 4s are 12 and x square. Same na? Means it is same. So minus 15xy. Again 3 we have taken common here. So 3 5s are 15 means it 5 minus sign as it is, and this xy, x is outside common. So this is only y. I think it is clear. Now different examples, different methods to factorize the algebraic expressions are: first, factorization by taking common monomials. Here 2n square plus 3n, we have to factorize this. So what is common here? This 2 and 3, nothing is common. N square and n. So here 2 n's are there, n into n, and here only 1 n is there. Means only 1 n is common. So we'll take 1 n common. So what will left? This 2 and 1 n from this, plus sign, and this 3. Because n is taken already common. So this is factorization, means multiplication of n and 2n plus 3. So factorization is the process in which we find the factors. Now this common binomial. Here monomial means only one term is common. This n is common only. Okay, only single part. In common binomial, here see this 5a into 2x minus 3y plus 2b into 2x minus 3y. We have to factorize this. So here 2x minus 3y. This two terms are there, and here also 2x minus 3y, the same terms, means this is common. So here two terms are common, we can say this is binomial. So what we'll write here? 2x minus 3y, because this is common in both. And now what is left? This 5a from here and plus 2b from here. So this is factorization of this type of terms. Now by grouping. The third example is by grouping. A square plus bc plus ab plus ac equals. So here a square and bc, nothing is common na? So what we should do in this case, we take the groups like this a square and take this ab, because this a square and ab, a is common, and this bc and ac, c will be common. So a square plus ab plus bc plus ac. First we'll write this in this form, then taking a common from here. So a is common, so what is left? A plus, and from here it is b. Here it is c common, so c, and this is b plus a. Now this b plus a is same as a plus b because this addition follows always commutative property. So what we can say here, a plus b, we can take common. This a plus b or b plus a, same thing. What is left? Now a and this plus c. So this will be the factor a plus b into a plus c. Fourth point, the fourth method to do this using the identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. The example is 64 minus x square. So this 64 minus x square can be written as 64 is 8 square, 8 is 64 minus x square. So 8 square minus x square. Now it is this form, 8 is a and x is b. So what we can write this, 8 plus x into 8 minus x. So this is factorization. This way you can apply this identity. Now two more identities are there. Using a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. So this x square plus 10x plus 25. So here x square. Now this 25 can be written as 5 square. This is 5 square. 5 5 is 25. And this plus 10x. So this plus 2a. A means this x into b means this 5. So now check this, x square plus 25. 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 5 10x. So it's exactly same as this. What we can write this now? We can write x plus 5 whole square. So this is factorized done. Okay. And now second formula is also there. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b whole square. So in this case it's minus x square minus 20x plus 100. So what we'll do, this x square, now this plus 100 is taken as 10 square because 100 is 10 square, and now minus sign because minus is here. So minus 2 into a is what? A is x and b is 10. So this is what? X minus 10 whole square. So this is the factors of x square minus 20x plus 100. This way we can find. Now the final last form is ax square plus bx plus c form. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term without any variable. How we'll solve this form? We'll solve this by middle term split form. Here middle term is 8x. So here 8 is middle number. We'll split this. It's plus 8 now. So we'll split in such a way that sum will be plus 8 and product will be this coefficient of x square. It is 1 here and into 15 the constant term. So 1 into 15 is 15. So sum here it should be 8 and product here is 1 into 15 means 15. So find two numbers such that the sum is 8 and product is 15. So it is 5 plus 3 is 8 and 5 into 3 is 15. So what we'll do here, x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. So this 8x can be written as 5x plus 3x because 5 into 3 is 15 and 5x plus 3x is 8x. Now what we can do? We can do this by grouping, by taking common. So here we can say x is common. So x plus 5 plus 3 is common here. It is also x plus 5 here. So what it comes? X plus 5 binomial common. So x plus 5 into x plus 3. This is final factorization. So in this case, we have discussed all the methods of factorization. I think it is clear to you. Thanks for watching.